Congratulations on getting through all the videos and learning what's involved with preparing a will. You're already ahead of 98% of the population. Now that you realize what a will is and the importance of having one, it's time to get started on preparing your will. In order to create a valid will, you have two options. Write it in your own handwriting and sign it personally, or have it formally prepared and sign it in front of two witnesses. We highly recommend you don't do the first option and that you proceed with the second option. There have been many court battles and issues that have come up with the first type of will, and it's a rarely used form of will nowadays. Almost all wills are formally prepared and signed in front of two witnesses. The last thing you want is relatives and loved ones fighting over your assets. It's important to word the will precisely. It's also important to be aware of the different types of situations that may arise. This is where the help of an experienced lawyer is needed. Your lawyer will get you to understand your situation, your wishes, and advise you of the different types of scenarios that can arise. Your lawyer can then word the will so that there is no misunderstanding later on of your wishes and that they are kept and that your interests are protected. Too many battles are fought in court over improperly worded wills. I'm sure that that's the last thing you would want. At Park and Jung, we are dedicated to helping young families protect and secure what is most important to them. We call this process the Personal and Family Legacy Plan. Clients who go through the Personal and Family Legacy Plan leave with the following. Number one, security and peace of mind in knowing that their affairs are in order if something happens. And two, sense of accomplishment in going through a major rite of passage as parents. So, here's how the process at Park and Jung works. Number one, you book an appointment with us online or by phone. Prior to our appointment, we will guide you by email on preparing what is necessary to preparing the will. This includes a template to list and gather all of your assets, a document outlining the major decisions to make in your will, a template for indicating your initial wishes for who will occupy the major roles. Then at the initial appointment, we will discuss your unique background and circumstances. Based on that discussion and the information you provided us, we will design a plan that works for you. At this point, you can decide whether to hire us or not. If you decide to hire us and proceed with preparing the will, you will be provided with more documents to take back with you. These documents include guidelines on what to discuss with the key people in your will. There will be a second meeting where we have the final documents ready for signing. At this meeting, we incorporate a unique process called the Family Legacy Interview. This is a special experience that our clients find extremely valuable. We explain this more at the first interview. Life is busy as parents, but preparing a will is something you should do now without delay. Getting started in this process with us is free. Simply book your appointment with us online or by phone and we will guide you the rest of the way. You'll have all the information you need before making the decision to hire us or not, so this is a completely risk-free way to approach such an important matter as preparing your will. We're dedicated to serving young families, so your satisfaction and care is our #1 priority. Book your appointment now and we look forward to helping you through this important rite of passage as a parent.